Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Learn English Grammar Effectively. In this video, you will see the conversation between doctor and patient. So don't miss this video. Watch till the end. Do watch, like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon. Let's get started.
What is your name?
My name is Anjali.
How old are you?
I am 10 years old.
What is your problem?
I got my arm broken.
Let me examine you. Is it paining?
Yes, it is paining.
You should go for X-ray. Come in the evening with report.
Okay, doctor, thank you.
Get rest for a month. For the time being, I am prescribing tablets.
How much shall I pay?
500 rupees.
So friends, hope you learned how to describe your illness. See you soon in my next video. Do watch, like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon. Stay tuned.